you guys are going to demonstrate the process of mining. So I'm going to get you guys into groups of 2. Your goal is to take a chocolate chip cookie, which is your mine site, and you are going to mine it for ore. You have to get all of that, except for your ore, all of that has to go back into its original state, right? That is the goal. So it's got to be in those lines. Every swear about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so you have 7. All right, so times that by 2, that's going to be. All right, you're getting like a general -5 for a disaster all out here. Interesting mine reclamation.
You picked up the mountain.
Well, he literally picked up the mountain. Let's see what kind of reclamation.
There's nothing.
Wow.
They blew it off.
Mine reclamation cost. 0.
Oh, no. You gotta go
1, 2, 3, 4,